matatizo. 2022 capitation ilikuwa chini, walimu walikuwa hawatoshi, pesa ya kusomesha watoto wetu ilikuwa haitoshi, hata program ya university ilikuwa karibu inasambaratika. Lakini kwa kutambua umuhimu wa vijana, we fixed the education program that was broken. Mimi naona viongozi wengine wanasema mambo mengi, wanajaribu kutupatia lecture ya mambo ya education system. We want to tell them, we are fixing your mess. You messed the education system. There were no teachers in class. There was inadequate capitation. There was no enough money for universities and TVETs. 21 universities were facing closure because of insolvency. Please, spare us your pontification. Spare us the lectures you are lecturing us. We are simply fixing your mess. Today, we have more money going to capitation. This month, money for capitation was in school before students go to school, because education is important and it is the greatest empowerment we can give to our children. Number 2, we have hired 100,000 teachers to fix the challenge of teacher shortage